Welcome to the Black Forest. It is Germany's enchanted land of nature. The Black Forest, or Schwarzwald in German, is one of Europe's most magical natural regions. Located in southwest Germany, it is famous for its dense evergreen trees, rolling hills, peaceful lakes, and fairy tale charm. Many travelers say it feels like stepping into a storybook. And in fact, this very forest inspired many Brothers Grimm fairy tales. The name Black Forest comes from the thick canopy of fir and pine trees that block out the sunlight, making the woods look dark and mysterious. Walking through the trails, you hear birds singing, streams flowing, and leaves rustling, creating a peaceful and calming atmosphere. Each season adds its own magic green in spring, golden in autumn, snowy white in winter. One of the highlights of the region is Lake Titisee. Surrounded by green hills and pretty cottages, this lake is perfect for swimming, boating, or simply relaxing by the shore. Another gem is Lake Schluchsee, the largest in the Black Forest, known for hiking and camping. These lakes are the heart of summer fun for both locals and visitors. The Black Forest is also home to some stunning waterfalls. The most famous is the Triberg Waterfalls, one of the tallest in Germany. Watching the water cascade down rocks surrounded by green forest is a breathtaking experience. Walking trails around the falls make it even more enjoyable for nature lovers. Charming towns and villages make the Black Forest even more special. Triberg is famous for its cuckoo clocks, handmade by local craftsmen. Bayersbronn is known for gourmet food, while Freiburg, at the edge of the forest, is full of history and culture. Strolling through these villages, you see timber-framed houses, flower-covered balconies, and cozy cafes serving the famous Black Forest cake. The mountains of the Black Forest are another attraction. Feldberg, the highest peak, offers skiing in winter and hiking in summer. From its summit, you can enjoy breathtaking views of the Rhine Valley and even the Swiss Alps on a clear day. Whether you come for adventure or peace, the mountains give you unforgettable memories. Wildlife is another hidden treasure here. The forest is home to deer, wild boars, foxes, and many bird species. If you love exploring, you may also find rare plants, mushrooms, and wildflowers. The Black Forest Open Air Museum adds more charm by showing how people lived in harmony with nature hundreds of years ago. Nature is not the only gift of the Black Forest. Its traditions are equally fascinating. The region is known for folk music, traditional clothing, and warm hospitality. Local markets sell handmade crafts, while festivals bring the villages to life with dance, color, and joy. It's a place where culture and nature blend beautifully. What makes the Black Forest so enchanting is the balance of mystery and peace. The dark woods give it a magical, almost secret feeling, while the open valleys and lakes bring calm and relaxation. It's a destination where you can adventure, rest, and dream all at once. The Black Forest is more than just a travel spot. It's an unforgettable experience. With its deep forests, shining lakes, snowy mountains, and fairy tale villages, it captures the heart of every visitor. For anyone dreaming of nature, tradition, and magic together, the Black Forest in Germany is truly a paradise waiting to be explored.